corners should go like that, right?
Yeah, you would think.
One would think. Well, if we had really...
I don't have YouTube because I don't have any Wi-Fi.
How many guys does it take to change a blind?
Apparently more than what we got.
Oh, I think he's got it.
There you go.
Yeah. I think, maybe.
Aaron?
Okay, done. Is that good, Drew? Are we good?
That's pretty cool.
You gotta put it together.
Yeah, I gotta.
I need a tall person.
Why are you looking at me?
Give me
a little more beer on
Here's the other issue.
What, beer? No beer?
It might be nice to have the handle on the inside so you can actually open the blind.
Oh, yeah.
Like the glasses
minor
in front of the
problems.
handle.
This is a minor issue.
Yeah.
That didn't sound good.
It kind of didn't stay.
Yeah.
All right,
I've seen videos where people complained about these things. Now I see why.
Perfect. I'm the painter stand.
Huh?
I am
Yeah,
the painter.
you are the painter stand. You're better looking.
Oh,
He's got blue jeans on. He's okay.
Oh, look, he's got that thingamabobber to hold the tools.
here, hold my tool.
Yeah, not while the sun is shining. We went over this.
You're about to get a window without a shade.
Hey, why don't you step into the coach and I'll close the door and hold it.
Well, then I can't get through the screen.
Oh, okay.
You're supposed to use masking tape to hold the window inside. It does say that.
I figure out where the screw holes are. Hand me a screw, Drew. A new out of that. There's new ones in that little baggie.
The holes look the same.
The problem is getting the holes.
Are those supposed to snap together like that?
Yeah.
Can you get these started? There.
Gotcha. Does that thing slide up and down?
It will. As soon as I get all the screws in it. Hey.
Squirrel!
A bit in that gun for me.
Just slide up and down.
This is what you get when you call the day labor place.
I need a shower now.
I know, I'm sweating. What the hell? It's my day off. What?
Will that thing go up and down? I don't know. I just want to put some screws in.
And she walks away with the screws.
Will it go up and down?
Oh, Drew, you are so funny.
Screwing around, eh?
Pretty much.
We were just bored.
But I'm innocent. This will be a good YouTube.
There's more screws holding this window in than there are holding your whole coach together.
I'm sure it probably is.
The coach will fall apart and the window will still be secure. That's it.
It's a good pull-up toe.
We can go get a regular screwdriver.
Aaron, it's a good pull-up toe. How
Yeah.
many men does it take to put in?
I really appreciate
Shade may not work, but you look good, huh?
No, the shade works.
It does?
Thank you. Thank you for filming.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Aaron, thank you.
He said, will the thing go up and down?
Thank you.
Thank you, Jim.
Harry is very blind. I think you make her a good
You have to buy us a shower at the truck stop.
Thank you guys.
There you go.
Both, and thank you very much. That's very nice of them. Thank you.
I'll send a bill to your secretary.